Hey everyone, check out the BLACK+DECKER 9-inch dual window fan designed for sliding windows up to 33 inches wide. This fan features twin fan heads that provide double the airflow for any room in your home. You can easily control the breeze with 2 speed settings using a simple mechanical dial. It's reversible, so you can either draw fresh air in or push stale air out. The accordion expanders and removable legs ensure a perfect fit for your window size. Made with rust-resistant materials, this fan is built to last and perform optimally. Stay cool and comfortable with this versatile and reliable window fan. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.